Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best professional desktop microphones in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best desktop microphones that deliver crystal clear sound, durability, and great value. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the HyperX SoloCast USB condenser gaming microphone is a simple and reliable choice. It offers a plug-and-play setup with a USB-C connection, so you can start recording instantly without extra software. The cardioid polar pattern focuses on your voice and reduces background noise, which is great for clear communication. With 24 bits, 96 kHz recording, it delivers sharp studio-quality audio for its price range. The tap-to-mute feature with an LED indicator is super convenient during live sessions. Its adjustable stand and boom arm compatibility add flexibility. However, it lacks advanced controls like gain knobs and isn't ideal for professional studios. Overall, it's perfect for beginners who want quality and ease of use. Coming in at number 4 is the Shure MV6 gaming microphone, which is a strong choice. It offers true plug-and-play with USB-C, so you can start streaming instantly without any setup hassle. The dynamic capsule with a cardioid pickup and built-in denoiser keeps your voice clear while removing background noise such as keyboard clicks or fans. Real-time monitoring through the headphone jack helps you control your audio, and the tap-to-mute and auto-gain features add convenience. The Motiv Mix app gives extra control over audio balance. However, it's slightly more expensive and less portable. Overall, it's perfect for gamers and streamers who want pro-level sound with minimal effort. At number 3, we have the FIFINE K688 podcast microphone kit, which is a great option for gaming and podcasting. It delivers natural, distortion-free sound with a cardioid pattern that reduces background noise, keeping your voice clear. The dual USB and XLR connectivity lets you start simple or upgrade to a professional setup later. The included boom arm, shock mount, and windscreen help reduce vibrations and unwanted noise. It also features handy controls like gain adjustment, tap to mute, and real-time monitoring. However, controls only work in USB mode, and setup can be tricky for beginners. Overall, it's ideal for creators who want versatility and room to grow. Taking the number 2 spot is the Logitech Creator's Blue Yeti USB microphone is a top choice for beginners and creators. It features a 3-capsule array that delivers rich, broadcast-quality sound for streaming, podcasts, and videos. With 4 pickup patterns, you can record vocals, interviews, or instruments easily. The BlueVoC software adds effects and improves voice clarity, while onboard controls like gain, mute, and headphone volume give full control. Its adjustable stand and plug-and-play setup make it very user-friendly. However, it can pick up background noise and is bulky. Overall, it's best for users who want flexibility and professional sound in one device. And finally, our number 1 pick is FIFINE USB Gain XLR dynamic microphone for podcast recording is a solid choice. It delivers natural, balanced sound with a cardioid pattern that reduces background noise, making your voice clear for streaming or recording. The dual USB and XLR options let beginners start easily and upgrade later for professional use. It includes useful features like tap-to-mute, gain control, headphone monitoring, and customizable RGB lighting. However, many controls and RGB only work in USB mode, and XLR requires extra gear. Overall, it's best for creators who want flexibility, good sound quality, and a budget-friendly microphone setup. And there you have it, the top 5 best professional desktop microphones. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.